got 1 inch coming off that meter there. I'm gonna put this T there. I have to put 1.25 nipple here. It's 1.25 inch, and I'll come off here with the 1/2 inch. So I want to do right there, boom. Put the gas off, take this meter blank out, back this right off. Easy peasy. No gas conversion burn with that beast. I'm going up over there somewhere with a little gas heater. I gotta run gas pipe. Alright, I got the meter bar off. I got the meter spun out of the way. I gotta back that off. And that piece. Inch and a quarter by 1. Come down with a 1 inch, I'll come off with an elbow and a valve. That's what we want right there. We'll get a shut off on this and we'll get the gas back on. The guy's heating hot water back, and then I can work the rest of the job. Alright, so I put in the 1.25 inch elbow, 1.25 inch by 1/2 by 1 T. This is gonna go over to the gas stove, and I'm gonna put the meter back on. I gotta check these joints here with soap and turn on the guy's heat and hot water. And if there's any leaks, it'll bubble up. You can see it bubbling right up if there was leaks. All good. 1/2-inch gas pipe. Alright guys, I had to open that door, stick my hand down there to light that pilot. It's a gas conversion burner, old one. This was an old burner at one time. No gravity, 2.5-inch. Big pipe. No side-on heater for the hot water. You know the heater's lit. There's the unit on the outside right there. Gonna check down below. Oh, look at that, right in the middle of that bay. Good. That'll be good. We'll run right over and in. Right beside that big beam I'm at there, see it? That's good. Alright guys, I got my pipe machine out here. I'm gonna make a couple of cuts. On a 1/2-inch pipe. I got my foot pedal hooked up, power coming in. Power here if I want it. I made this little thing, I step on this pedal. I got forward and reverse, whatever I want. So I gotta cut this and thread this pipe. 2 threads I have to do. Not too bad. See if I can give you some footage of it. Put the machine in reverse. back and forward. A lot easier than doing it by hand, that's for sure. Make sure it's in forward, and it is. Reverse. Alright, the oil drops in the oiler. As I oil it, it drops right down in there. Shavings and all go right into the oiler. And that little thing. There's oil on the bottom of that. So I only needed a couple of cuts, but you never know. I'd rather take this out, and it's not a big deal. And my truck's right on the other side of this gate. I'll just load this back up in the truck. One's been chewing on it. Alright, so I come up through the floor to a shut off, to a union, right into the unit. 1/2 by 3/8 coupling. I got the downstairs all tight and I just come and put my test on it now. Alright guys, I got this thing all tied in here now. Came over here. It was like a 10-inch nipple for the hanger here. And I cut this piece going across. And jump up with a 2-inch nipple. And this line's a 10-footer. Runs over. Put a hanger here. It runs over, I put a hanger here. I got my test on right there for the inspection. When I'm done, I'll put that nipple in. And it goes up through the floor with like maybe a 13-inch nipple, and then it turns and goes into the gas cock and the unit upstairs. 2 hangers. This wood was already here, so that's good. Runs over, drops down, runs over. Swing joint to the shutoff. That shutoff's being used for testing purposes only. And I went all the way back to the main. I just gotta call the inspector. At 12:30, this is 1 hour off, so it's like 20 past 12. I'll call him at 12:30. See if I can get him here today or tomorrow. I just got a little bicycle pump I pump it up with. That's what I use to pump that gauge up with.
Guys, here's the permit. Residential is $40 for a gas test. And yeah, I'm not going to show you the address, but I just called the inspector. I got to meet him in tomorrow. He's not going to be around today, so 12:30. So I'll have to call him tomorrow and get back here for an inspection. Finalize it tomorrow.
I got my inspection, and this is the next day. I'll take that gauge off and turn the gas on, get it going. Alright, I got my gauge off and there's the drip. Alright, I can turn it on upstairs now and bleed the air. Get low and high flame here. Definitely nice.
Yeah, I'm so glad it'll stay on if there's no car.
I think it come out okay.
Yeah, it looks good.
Better than the other dogs that are young.